Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a blood orange gin sour. It was time for a gin cocktail. As always, I'm going to leave the recipe in the descriptions for you. Alright, without further ado, let's go! Alright, so for this cocktail we're going to need gin, simple syrup, aromatic bitters, blood orange, lemon juice, and an egg white. I'm going to start by chilling the glass. Alright, let's make this cocktail. I'm gonna add ice into a shaker. 2 ounces of gin. 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. 1/4 of an ounce of fresh lemon juice. 3/4 of an ounce of blood orange juice, 3 dashes of aromatic bitters, and an egg white. Alright, time to shake it. And I'm gonna double strain it. And we're ready to garnish. And that's how you make the blood orange gin sour. Now if you guys like the video, give me some thumbs up, and if you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, until the next one, cheers! Oh, that's good. I'll give it 8 out of 10.